Uyabona leya namhlanje angifuni ukungasho. Ngabe ngithi ayikho into enje kodwa nayi ikhona.
Hello, sanibonani Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalula lwezibhekane zonithambela lekude phezulu.
Story time, yeah.
Do join.
Life graduate, sondela sakuyiso leso sikhathi se-story asikho mnandi simungconyana kodwa ke okusalayo yi-story and ngikulandele sona le ku-TikTok. Ngathi 1 ngathi 2 kade ngiloke ngiphuma ngingena kulo live ngingayikholelwa into ebengiyibuka. Ngaze ngazinika ithuba. Ngangena kulo live ngahlalisisa ngaze ngathola ngisho ithuba lokubuza imibuzo. Ngoba umuntu wakhona bethi buzani noma yini enifuna ukuyibuza mayelana nale ndaba. Ngoba sonke besingakholwa ukuthi into ayikhulumayo ukhuluma into ekhona ngempela. Hayi ziyenzeke emhlabeni indaba. Ziyenzeke indaba emhlabeni sakhile lalela. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share ngoba kuyasiza ukuthi sikhule. Don't forget ukuthi asiwaskiphi ama-adverts la ekhaya. Asiwaskiphi umuntu akambashe kuyabanda ngisegoli. Uma ngabe uzwa umsindo wescooter in the background Nkosi yami umzukulu wami loyo is playing. So ngithe akadlale mina ngizokwenza istory. Life graduate. It's a story time. Ngingene kulo live ku TikTok okokuqala. Ngithi hayi lo mfana uyadlala. A guy in his late 20s uxoxa indaba ngefamily yakhe. Ekuqaleni ngiqale ngiphike ngithi hayi ayikho into enje uyadlala. Ayikaze yaba khona into enje. Ngiphinde futhi ngelinye ilanga ngithi ngiyascrolla nje uyabona uma uscrolla nje ku TikTok wehlawe enyuka ngiphinde futhi gaga nangu phela futhi usibani banyana ngoba phela sengiyamlandela manje le ndaba yakhe ya interest kahle. This guy again with this story. So lalela, uGuy is on a mission. Uma ngabe echaza uGuy uthi uhlala in the US eAlabama. So the reason eloke enza lama lives awenzayo is because ufuna ukuraise ama funds. So ucela ukuthi simuphe ama gifts, simuphe ama diamonds, simuphe whatever that we can give him with because imission yakhe ukuthi ufuna ukumove out of the home because ekhaya usekakhathele inhlalo yakhona. Okokuqala uthi umechaza uthi bayi6 ekhaya kubo and bonke babafana. Mabayi6 uthi uma wakhe una 54 years and uma wakhe things never went well no baba wakhe. So hence he ended up bekwi situation yokuthi ubaba wakhe uhlala kwenye indawo mengabe echaza nje futhi ubaba wakhe uthi hayi cha shem ubaba wakhe uJonas Jojo oqala ukugcina eUS and father of the nation everywhere ubaba wakhe akhona unengane. So uthi akazi baba wakhe ukuthi bangakhe mhlawumbe bawu52 mhlawumbe bawu53 kodwa nje ukusala baba wakhe unezingane all over la afika ahlale khona nje la afika athi nje ngci khona nje kusala ingane la athi nje khona ukuthi ngci yasala ingane. So apparently it's the reason baxabana nonina ngoba hayi kwakungakhonakali. So uma esho ke uthi uma wakhe bemthanda ubaba wakhe ngalendlela ukuthi uzamile ukumbekezelela. Yes, she's playing in the background. Uthi uzamile ukumbekezelela kodwa hayi cha kwacaca ukuthi ngeke phela egcineni kosuku uyogcina esegula ezama ukubekezelela le ndoda enemkhuba enyantisa ngalendlela. Siyabuza ke mfana ukuthi ngibuze ukuthi umfana ke manje uyini efuna ukuphuma ekhaya nje babe u6 nje uthi ekhaya bonke kuba basebenzi. Uma wakhe akasebenzi apparently baphila ngama grant ukhona umfana oza emva kwakhe ukhona umfana omncane kunaye apparently lo esokhuluma ngaye nje manje mncane kunaye ngoba una 24 and loyo uyaphanta somehow naye ke uthi uyaphanta through ama social media platforms wakhe ayamsiza ukuthi akhona ukuthi aphante lapha nalapha athole yabo into ekuzolala kudliwe ke kuyona. Uma wakhe akasebenzi. So uthi lento iqale kanje. Iqale ngokuthi uma wakhe ebemkhonzile lo mfana kubo ona 24 ngoba uyena obazamela isinkwa ekhaya. Ebemkhonzile, hey bye. Uthi bemkhonzile ngoba uyena bebazamela isinkwa ekhaya. Ngicela uyisheshise le ndaba ibe imfushane because I'm babysitting at the same time ngixoxa story. Let me focus. Okay guys, umfana uza nesigaxa sendaba isinguzunga yendaba isigaxa into engingakaze ngizosolo ngazalwa engivele ngashwaqine lokwa kwaluma yonke indawo enoboya ngagodola. Yazi ngagodola kushisa ngaba u6 kubo omncane kunayo na 24 uyena ngazi ukuthi uphanta kangcono ngoba uyathola namatohwana ngazi ukuthi abhadlile mengabe esho uthi lo na 24 uyakhona nanokuthi esathola umsebenzi ethe ukuba mijanyana yaka construction tontontone engathi umfana nje okhuthele nonama skills asizeni khona la kwi-carpentry. So njengoba bewu-6 bonke ekhaya bonke abasebenzi abanye abaningi abancane kunabo bayafunda yena uthi usazama amatoho and indlela aphanta ngayo uphanta ngayo social media kuyangena ku-TikTok abantu bamgifte and is also present na ku-YouTube somehow and nje umuntu okhuthele ozamayo naye ngaleyo ndlela uthi mengabe echaza ukuthi wafunda angithi-ke e-US banento ye-college most of the time abanayo into yama-university so uthi why e-college unayo i-college education but nje somehow impilo yakhe is been unlucky akuhlangani. So umfana uthi mekachaza uma wakhe wamosheka what's the right word to use? Ake sithi walimala mentally invisibly ngesikhathi ehlushwa kakhulu ubaba wabo to a point ukuthi uma wakhe wayemthanda ubaba wabo ngale ndlela yokuthi kwakuyilento yokuthi angenzana noma ngabe yini ukwenza le ndoda i-happy noma ngabe ingenza ini emhlukumezayo but that man will always come back to them and ahambe izinyanga ahambe iminyaka will always come back to them and uma wakhe will still accept him back amxolele and lento ke eloke emxolela loke ehambe ebuya loke emxolela yamlimaza ngoba kusho ukuthi at some point she was hoping ukuthi kuyogcina ku right kulungile you know how abantu besifazane are like and vele ke uthi ke njengoba bebaningi kangaka ekhaya kubo vele bekuphoqa ukuthi uma wakhe abe housewife ukuze azokwazi phela ukunakekela lenqwaba lo sakabhudule ingane i6 yonke aseyizalile nale ndoda le and le ndoda kuthiwa ngesimanga ikhona kuthiwa is a very good father he provides he does everything right according to the way fathers are supposed to be doing ebantwaneni babo kodwa inkinga nje ile yokuthi uJonas le ndoda uJonas ongabambeki uJonas ohambe buya and as a result ke kwanenkinga eziningi at some point wagcina ehambile ke ubaba lo wahamba amasolokohla akangaphinda abuya uthi nje from there uma wakhe akabanga right she started ukuphuza kakhulu and at some point uzowazama ngisho insangu ethezama ukuzicalma down ngoba phela ngisho abanye abantu bathi insangu can calm you down mangabe une stress and everything but ke yena kuthiwa insangu bivele imhlangise kodwa ngenhlanhla leyo ke ikhona ifamily member yakwazi ukungenelela up to a point whereby uma wakhe right now is sober akasabuthinta utshwala akasathinti any kind of recreational drug useka right sober uthi in the midst of uma wakhe being sober right now inkinga entsha sha abhekene nayo naze nayo hayi bathuze nenye kuthiwa ke manje uhlala endlini lomuntu full time akenzi next most of the time okusho ukuthi unesikhathi sonke so kusho ukuthi mebesho ke bathi vele bekamthanda ke lo bhuti wakhe lo ona 24 year old kuthiwa bekamkhonzile to a point ukuthi even vele naye lo mfana lo kuthiwa uyena ofana kakhulu nobaba wakhe yabona lo nto ukuthi umzali abe nento ukuthi lo ufana kakhulu nozibani bathi ufana kakhulu nobaba wakhe so umkhonzile plus nokuthi uyena kozamayo ukuthi indlela ukuthi baphile badle ekhaya hayi ke uthi ubhuti ke into esayenza ukuthi mina ngibone ukuthi kungcono ngihambe ngiyozama elsewhere ngizame impilo engcono for myself njengoba ngila ku live I'm trying to raise funds so that ngizokwazi ukuyifunela indawo yami ngizirentele on my own and then ngizophanda khona ngoba at least uTikTok yakwazi ukunginikeza some money mengabe ngingena la ku live abantu bayangifta and everything and I'm also somebody who's gifted kusho ukuthi mekasho ukuthi uyahamba ngithi niyazi ukuthi most of the time overseas kunalama restaurants lawa amaningi webhayi uthola ukuthi kunama performers bayaperforma abantu bafike bakunikeza ama tips so uthi ukwenza lokho ke to add on what ama social media platforms wakhe are giving him in terms of imfalakahlala uthi entsha sha le menza ukuthi afuna ukuphuma ke manje uthi he has discovered ukuthi uma wakhe nalo bhuti wakhe ona 24 years abakhonzene kakhulu kumbula ngithi uma walo mfana una 54 umfana una 24 and is the youngest kulenqwaba is one of the youngest yena lo umnikazi wendaba mdala so kusho ukuthi uyounger than asithi ngesisirathi asithi uyounger than lo umnikazi wendaba uthi entsha sha abeze nayo ke manje uthi he's always been aware ukuthi unina nalo 24 year old ozemva kwakhe bayazwana ba-close and vele njengoba ba-close into a sense ukuthi nonina umthandela ukuthi uyena ozamayo ukuthi kulale kudliwe endlini. Uthi hhayi-ke entsha sha eze nayo manje abeka lo isolo ukuthi iyona noma iyona ukuthi ebebona indlela abadlala ngayo ukuthi badlala in a very very strange way for a parent and a mother, and lento ibiloku imkhathaze to a point ukuthi waze wa-investigator wabona ngempela ukuthi hayi bo, uma wenza imikhuba nomfowethu enga-understandeki. Ngathi mina mfana uthini? Wathi hey, uma wenza imikhuba nomfowethu esingayi-understand ukuthi ibizwa ngani lento ayenzayo. Hayi bo, uthini mawusho kanje? Wathi njengoba ngisho nje uthi lento iqale when uma wakhe eqala ukuba sober, kusho ukuthi she somehow needed into azozidistracta ngayo. Angithi manje ekuqaleni bekazidistracta ngotshwala nangensango, wabamthatha-ke bamse-rehab waba sober. Manje kusho ukuthi sekashoda ngenye into azozidistracta ngayo. In the meantime into eyenzakalayo ukuthini? Ulala nomfowabo. Wake wayizwa into enjalo? Wake wayizwa into enjalo? Ikhona yini into enjalo? Mangiqala ngena kulo live for the very first time ngathi hayi, umfana is just creating content. Kodwa how can you create content ngento ejule kangaka, eshube kangaka? Kangangokuthi abanye abantu ku live they were even asking ukuthi sicela ukubona isithombe sikama wakho. Mngakanani uma wakho? Sicela ukubona isithombe sikamfweni. Wathi cha, ngeke azakwazi ukwenza ukuthi aposte ama pictures wabo ngoba into emkhathazayo, and he has even went to an extent ukuthi usetshele amanye ama-family members. Wathi uma watshela amanye ama-family members abathe ukubadadlanyana nabo, uyazi-ke mos ukuthi impilo yaphesheya ayifani nempilo yase-Africa. Africans look after each other. Umama uyamnakekela makangasebenzi, you do everything you know that is supposed to be done, and there is that mutual respect. And ama-elders le umazibonele mangabe unomndeni wakho uhlala wodwa le la uhlala khona nomndeni abazingene zomndeni wakho. Uthi okummangaze kakhulu kunawo wonke, uthe mengabe edlulisela le ndaba yakhe kumalume wakhe thizeni. Wathi umalume wakhe, hawu wena uyadlala wena, uma uzosixoxela manje thina lonto kade sayazi, wena uma uyazi manje. Uthi ha, the shock of my life. Ngivele ngageza izandla okokuqala okugcina ukuthi hayi-ke angisazi ukuthi kanti kusho ukuthi kunjani makunje. That's why I took a decision ukuthi kusho ukuthi kufanele ngivele ngiphume straight like ngoba lento iyangitraumatize mentally. I'm not okay. Shame ngenkosi yami, salalela indaba sadabuka, saposta, safaka ama-stars, sasenda ama-diamond, sasenda ama-ice cream, sasenda ama-heart. Inkosi yami, in the hope ukuthi-ke umfana agcine sizakele-ke ayithole imali enough ukuthi athole imali ye-rent aphume ekhaya ngoba uthi i-situation is not good at all. Now abanye bebebuza ukuthi esimene sikanjalo awukwazi yini ukuyombophisa uma wakho? Sala sikhamsile-ke kanjalo, simangele kanjalo umfana sikade sicabanga ukuthi ucreate content kanti ukhuluma into ekhona. Mina ngifuna ukukwazi ukuthi kukona konke inhlobo yokubhubha okukhona emhlabeni, nako kona kuyona yonke inhlobo yokubola nezithwalo esike sikhulume ngazo and everything else that is going on. Is this even ingqondo yami isafuna ukwala namanje ukukholela ukuthi khona lento. I know ukuthi akhona lama ban TV lawo esinawo anokuzixoxa lezi zitori ezinje, but half the time angikaze ngizikholelwe. Futhi namanje ingqondo yami isafuna nje ukunqaba ukuthi ngikholwe ukuthi ikhona into kanje. Ngicela life graduate awubuye ungene la comment section ungifakazise noma ungivuse emaqandeni ngoba ingqondo yami it's still refusing to understand ukuthi ngempela there could be such a thing. Ikhona ngempela wena ngokwakho wake wayewitnessa into enjalo. Sikiyeke lokhu okubizwa ngengani abakubiza nge-incest ngesingisi okwenzeka between ama-siblings esesijwayele ukubona nalako bani TV. Kodwa umzali nengane ikhona into enjalo. I know ukuthi akusona sokuqala futhi istory lesi sisizwa from US. Niyamkhumbula usisi wakwa-Trenda owayeshada nengane yakhe yomfana eyina 15. Niyasikhumbula leso story? Kusho ukuthi kahle overseas kubolile kahle ngoba impiloni la bayiphilayo impiloni la bayiphilayo ngoba phela it's not normal. It's giving sick mentality vibes. Basically it's giving sick mentality vibes. What level yokugula abagulayo ukuthi you can even be sick to a point whereby you can even ubone kulula nje ukuthi uthathe ingane yakho uyiphendule indoda kanjani? How is that even possible? Hayi, ngithe angeke ngiyiyekele, niyadinga ukuyizwa ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi abaningi benu abekho ku-TikTok and ziyashisa ngale ku-TikTok. Kodwa if kwenzeka ukuthi ku-TikTok nayi I'm putting ilokhunjana yalo mfana so that nizombona ngoba he usually becomes live ngama-Sunday evenings. I usually catch him on Sunday evenings. Kodwa na during the week ngiye ngimbone e-live bese kusho kona ukuthi anginaso isikhathi sokubuka ama-lives or during the week. Kodwa Sunday evenings or Friday evenings, be rest assured, ngicela niyombheka, nimlandele, nizwele nini le story. Nangu umnikazi waso. Ngicela nihambe niyombheka ku-TikTok. Nangu hambani nombheka ku-TikTok nimlandele. Uma ngabe kuwukuthi awumthole live ngaleso sikhathi, go kuma videos wakhe ngoba u-live angithi uyashika kuma videos. Just go and find his old videos. Sidala lesi story. I think ukuthi uqala ukuyixoxa le ndaba mhlampe mina ngiqala ukumbona ngabo March, ngamziba ngacabanga ukuthi hayi into engekho. Kodwa sengimbona a week ago, it's where I got to confirm because lapho benginesikhathi sokungena ku-live ngihlale ngibuke. Ngingenile, ngirequestile ngangena and I asked him questions. Niyazi ukuthi ngiyabuzana mina indaba bese ngiyifuna ngiyithola la yonke. Ungiphendulile imibuzo and it gave me a confirmation ukuthi ngempela Shem ukhuluma into ekhona and uyabona ngisho ikhuluma lento ebusweni emotional ukuthi iyamfrustrate ngalendlela, iyamhlukumeza ngalendlela, naye akazi and uyasho nanokusho futhi uthi udinga usizo psychologically because lento is frustrating him, iyamgulisa nje. Useyabona ukuthi usezogcina ehlanya. Ngitshela mina ke ikhona vele into enje noma into ake sithini into yaphesheya kuphela yabo. Ngoba cha la eMzansi angiboni ukuthi khona bayazi-create nje lezi story kobani TV kodwa I don't think ukuthi kusuke kuyinto ekhona ngempela. Ikhona into enje, siyeke nje lezi zokuthi abantu benze imikhuba enyantisayo for ukuthwala ke. Lezi ezihambisana nokuthwala siyazazi ukuthi yilezi sizijwayele la eAfrica. Kodwa le ukuthi abantu nje ekucatshanga ukuthi baphilile ba-normal ba-right balance me life graduate because I'm about to go out of my mind. Ngihlangiswa indaba zabantu kade ngasho ngathi indaba zabantu ziyangishisa, azihlali la nayo akuseyona ke yami sekweyami nawe. Akusiyikhulume la kuma comment section. Ikhona noma ayikho, bayaphila noma baphili, badinga ukuboshwa, badinga ukwenziwani ngoba mkhuba muni lo abawugilayo. Hayi beze nenye.